While many Mainers were finally able to enjoy some sunshine today, this was the scene in Fort Fairfield earlier this morning. The town's Facebook account posting that a tree came down on power lines, knocking out power for half the town. Strong winds knocked out power in other communities in the area. It looks like a lot of those people are still without power. Versant is reporting just over 1,700 customers remain in the dark. The majority of those are in Aroostook County. The utility company estimates power will be restored by 10 o'clock tonight. CMP reporting just under 1,000 customers without power.